Hello parents, my name is Mike Wiley. I'm principal here at California Trail. I appreciate you taking time out of your very busy schedules to come and put a name with a face with your child's teachers here at California Trail tonight. Tonight's schedule is you're going to watch this video intro from myself and some of my colleagues tonight, and then you're going to roll into your child's schedule. You'll go from first hour to second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. We will not be attending our Bulldog times tonight, but the idea is you'll be able to see each of your child's teachers, hear a little bit about their class, their general setup, and those kind of things, and then you'll be able to move on to the next class. So that when you have questions or those kind of things, you know who you're talking to when you're sending an email. One other piece that I would like to touch on right here early tonight is something that you should be used to here in Olathe is our secure entrance. When you show up to California Trail, you'll notice that there is a nice walk of paw prints on the ground at the front entrance, and they lead you to this little doghouse that has a nice arrow pointing to our camera system. When you arrive to bring something to your student, they're going to forget something at some point, usually. You're able to come to the office to get that to them. What you will do is you'll bring your ID, whether that's your driver's license or a visa. I don't travel a lot, so for me it'd be my driver's license. You'll come up, press this button, the silver button, hold your ID up. Our office staff will say, "How can I help you?" You'll share with them that you're dropping lunch off for your student, whatever it may be. They'll buzz you in. Once they buzz you in to our first through our first door, you'll be able to go into the vestibule, and they'll buzz you in through the second door. That double buzz-in process is just that added layer of security for your students. And then we get to the front office, and they'll take care of you. So you're going to have a lot of information tonight. Again, you'll be able to revisit this video. We'll share it out soon via email. But have a good time tonight, and now I'm going to hand it off to our assistant principals.
Good evening, parents. I want to welcome you to Back to School Night. My name is Carrie Ficken, and I'm an assistant principal here at California Trail. I work with students with last names A through K. I'm also activity director. I can't wait to meet your kids, and I'm really excited to start the school year. I hope you have a great night.
Good afternoon, parents. Good to see you. It's good to have your kids back. I know you guys were probably ready for them to come back to school, and we were ready for them. Good to see everybody again. My name is Mr. Caberline. I am in charge of the students L through Z. I'm also in charge of athletics. Any needs your kids have, they're welcome to come to me, whether it be lunches, bus rides, schoolwork, anything like that. Your kids are welcome to come see me. Anyway, looking forward to a great year. See you soon.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Byer, and I'm a counselor here at California Trail. I work with students with the last names A through K. Please feel free to contact me with any questions that you or your student may have throughout this school year. I look forward to a great year.
Hi, my name is Sue Sandbothy. I'm one of the two counselors here at California Trail Middle School. I work with students whose last names are L through Z. We are really excited to greet back our current 7th and 8th graders and also welcome our brand new 6th grader Bulldogs to the building. Please let me know if there's anything that I can do to support you or your children this year. We look forward to a great year, and welcome to our Bulldog family.
Hello Bulldog family, I'm Officer Vic with the Olathe Police Department. I'm the School Resource Officer here at California Trail. Today we're going to be talking about the parking situation and the drop-off and pickup we have at California Trail. Now, right here represents 133rd Street. This is an aerial map of California Trail. What we ask for all parents to do is pick up and drop off is to exclusively take place in the far east parking lot. What you're going to do is come off 133rd here. You're going to loop around here to the circle. Once you start getting about to this area, you'll start seeing the signs for unloading zone. You're going to unload from pretty much here on up to here where the crosswalk is. you'll see Mr. Wiley here at the crosswalk pretty much every morning. What we ask is you don't start dropping off or picking up back here, because if you do that, it'll start congestion back here on 133rd. So you'll follow the car in front of you, get about to here. Once all the cars have stopped, then you can pick up or drop off there. And then when you've done that, you're gonna loop around back here and come back and leave the way you came in. From there, you can go east or west on 133rd. Now, right here is the staff parking lot. We ask that you do not pick up or drop off in the staff parking lot. The reason we have that is if it gets too congested in there, in years past we've had student staff actually get hit by parents while they're dropping off or picking up. The only time it's really acceptable in the morning or in the afternoon to go into that parking lot is if you've got some business to take care of in the office, you need to drop something off for your kid. That's fine. Just park in one of these designated visitor parking spots. Get in the building, but do not, if you're just picking up and dropping off, east lot. Now right here off 133rd, on the south side of the of the street, you will see no parking signs. Now, no parking signs, what that means is you can't park there and leave your vehicle. So in the morning or in the afternoon, if you want to actually park off 133rd and go drop your kid off or have them be picked up, that's okay as long as you remain in your vehicle. The second you leave your vehicle, then you set yourself up to get ticketed. I don't want to see that happen, but I can't stop if a patrol officer sees your car unattended and parked in a no parking zone. On the north side, there's no parking standing permitted. Okay, so what that means, at no time are you allowed to stop and park there. Okay, anything on the north side of 133rd Street, we have to keep that traffic flowing, so you can't stop there at all. If you do that, you also get set up to get ticketed. Okay. Overall, I will say, we've got a lot of parents that drop off and pick up in the morning, so just bear with us. The parking situation is not ideal. We do get congested, but as long as everybody has patience and drive safely, obviously, it should work out. Okay. I hope you guys have a great year, and I'm looking forward to the 2018-2019 school year.
My name is Janice Yonke, and I'm the nurse here at CT, and I just wanted to say welcome to you guys. I see all of the students A through Z for illnesses, injuries, medicines, shot records, all that kind of thing. So just wanted to mention a couple things, that all prescription medicine has to come in a prescription labeled container, and it needs to be given through the nurse's office with the doctor's order. But kids are allowed to self-carry over-the-counter medicines. We do not want to see this. It's not that I have anything against the Ziploc company, but when we can't tell what the pills are, that's not a good thing. So we recommend you bringing it in a small container, just a small amount, and they can carry that and take it as needed. And that's about it. If you have any questions or concerns, give me a call here at school, and have a good year. Hopefully you won't hear from me.
Hello again. I want to wrap up the video portion of this evening by sharing some of the communications that you can look to receive from our school. On a daily basis, our office staff will send announcements via email. On a weekly basis, our core teachers will be sending a newsletter that shares a little bit about what's going on in their classes and upcoming activities and tests and quizzes, those kind of things. And on a monthly basis, you will see our Bulldog News come home via email. In that Bulldog News and our announcements will be lots of information on different activities that your child can get involved in. I want you to really encourage your student to find something this year to break out of their shell a little bit, try something new, get involved. That portion of being involved as a middle school and transitioning into a high school student, all of the research shows that students that are involved have a higher GPA, have a higher graduation rate, have a higher feeling of being a part of the school and fitting in. All of those things are great reasons to push your student to be involved, so I hope you'll do that. With that being said, I hope you have a great evening meeting all of your students' teachers, And if there's ever anything that we can do for you, feel free to reach out to us. Go to the school website. You can connect to that from the Olathe Public Schools site. And all of our contact information is listed there. Feel free to reach out to a counselor, assistant principal, classroom teacher, or myself. We're all here to help. We hope that it's going to be a fantastic, no, let me check that. We know it's going to be a fantastic school year. Go Bulldogs.